is yours, Advik. In this video, we're going to do the experiment fireworks in a jar. This experiment is so cool and it's really fun to do. So let's get started. The materials that we'll need is a fork, food coloring, cooking oil, a tall transparent glass, and warm water. Let's begin. First, we gotta take this food coloring and this keeps a few drops inside. Now let's mix it up. Look at them. Okay, now we're finished with that. Now we are finished with the oil. Now let's take the warm water and then pour it into another glass. Now we are done with keeping the warm water in the transparent glass. Okay, now it's time to pour it in. Look at those beautiful colors! Wow! Look at the blue, look at the green, look at the yellow, look at the red. It's so beautiful. Hey, look at the colors that got this soft. But do you know how this happened? Yeah, let me tell you. Water and oil do not mix together because water is made of polar molecules, but oil is made of non-polar molecules. Oil has less denser than water, so it will float on top of the water. With food coloring, oil would not mix with food coloring, and food coloring is heavier than oil. When the food coloring goes down, it will break through the oil and then reach the water. When it reaches the water, it will do a mini explosion. And then it will get dissolved inside the water. Wow, was that cool? I hope you liked this video. Next time I'll tell you another great experiment. Until next time, bye-bye!